Okay, so we built a little get index HTTP function. This time let's add a second function. So back at my project, I'm gonna expose my ARC file and let's add a post. Everyone's always so excited about gets, but let's do a post, and we'll just add that post to the index. We could put it somewhere like whatever, contacts, say. But we'll just do it to the index for now. Save that, run ARC init, and then if we look over at our file tree, we now have a get index and a post index. You'll also notice from that last deploy we've got a SAM JSON and a SAM YAML. That's important. Architect is based on CloudFormation, and in particular a flavor of CloudFormation called Serverless Application Model. We take this relatively tiny 10-line file and that turns into 238 lines of SAM CloudFormation YAML, which then AWS converts into 148 lines of YAML. You don't have to worry about any of that. So the HTTP functions always come out with this big hunk of HTML, but we don't need that. If we're doing a post, you're almost always going to just set the location and go back to wherever you came from. And we'll set a status code 302, so we're just saying redirect back here. And just so we know it worked. So it worked there. No dependencies, just pure old JavaScript. And if I run the sandbox, this won't be useful unless we have a way to post there. So let's go back to that first function that we built. And I'm going to create a variable called HTML. And we'll use JavaScript template strings for this. We don't have to. We're just doing it for the sake of the demonstration. So the form's going to post to itself, to slash. Use a method post. We'll add a button. Submit. Let's put one up there for now. Oops. You can use whatever you want to generate these strings, React, Preact. We're just trying to do the simplest thing that could possibly work right now to demonstrate the functionality. So we're going to post slash, and then we're going to redirect back to slash it worked. Let's try that out in the sandbox. You'll see that the two routes have been mounted, in two functions. Go there, we can see our one up, and if we click it, you can see it redirected and it worked. Cool. Deploy that. Architect's going to regenerate our CloudFormation documents. Use that bucket that we gave it in the .arc file to upload it to the bucket, and then CloudFormation will do its business and it'll print off a URL for us to give this a try. Now that I'm thinking about, here we go. 30 seconds, a little bit faster. Great, there's our button. If I click it, oh no, forbidden. And the reason for that is you'll notice that Amazon appends this URL part /staging. And so when I posted, I didn't post anywhere. I posted to the root of this thing. So we can fix that. There's a few ways to fix that, but we'll just fix it in the cheesiest way possible, which is to just add staging here. And then when we redirect, we'll have to do the same thing, which is kind of annoying. But we're just trying to demonstrate the functionality. But I'm going to show you another trick: Arc deployed dirty. And this sometimes breaks. Well, when it works, it's awesome because it deploys really fast. We just try and rip out and overwrite the function code instead of formally taking the CloudFormation path. And if I do this now, and you'll see it worked. Cool.